What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this video is something that is completely different from what I have been talking about mostly on my channel. I just want to make a video about C3.Ai Inc. because if you take a look at Yahoo Finance today, this is the top trending ticker on Yahoo Finance, and I want to talk about why C3.Ai is down today, and what I would do if I were if I was investing in this company, or if I were an investor. Now this stock is down minus 25% today, and this stock has been trending because of the artificial intelligence. We have ChatGPT 3, 4 right now making waves, trending everywhere in the news, and this company has been benefiting massively from this. Okay, if you take a look at the year to date, you can see this stock used to trade somewhere around $11 and then last week Friday it closed around $33. But today something happened, and the share price of C3.Ai opened with a cap down, and since then it's been going down minus 26% right now. So the market cap $2.6 billion. The volume, of course, is negative today, okay, because short sellers are going crazy. Now the reason why the share price of C3.Ai is down today is because of a short seller. Okay, the short seller alleged C3.Ai of accounting issues. Okay, and you guys can see it. We opened with the cap down around $32 today, and then down all the way to almost to 24 $24 today. Now the reason why it's down is because short seller Kerrisdale Capital alleged serious accounting and disclosure issues at the enterprise software developer. Now, let's take a look at what exactly they alleged them, and why I am making video about this is because I shared this with my Patreon couple of weeks ago, I believe, or 2 weeks ago, when I spotted a breakout, and some of us banked big on that. It used to trade around $20 when I shared this with them, and then bam, we saw that massive breakout, and the share price rose to almost 28. Okay, look at that, $28.76, and then we made some profit. Now the market cap was $3.1 billion back then, and that is of course why I am sharing this video, so that some of you guys that trade this breakout with me can at least learn more about the company. Now if you go to Kerrisdale Capital, the short seller that is presently killing the share price of C3.Ai today, if you come to their commentary, you can see what they said about this. They said, we sent a letter today to C3.Ai's signing audit partner and the head of the US audit and assurance practice at Deloitte Touche LLP regarding serious accounting and disclosure issues we have identified in C3.Ai's SEC public financial statement. And this is the letter right here. We're still going to take a look at it. C3's fiscal year ends on April 30th, and we have asked Deloitte to review our letter in anticipation of its upcoming work conducting the company's year-end audit. In the letter we discuss so these are the things, right? Okay, these are their concerns: the highly conspicuous growth in unbilled receivables to levels we have never before seen in software companies. Okay, so look at that, guys. I mean, it's crazy. Opaque, confusing, and highly concerning disclosures and financials related to the company's related party and very large customer Baker Hughes. And then they have this right here, and then they said efforts to inflate gross profit margins by reclassifying cost of revenue as research and development expenses. So this is what they are saying. They are reclassifying cost of revenue. So this is the third one. And then classification of significant revenue as subscription revenue that in actuality is services or consulting oriented revenue. So they said so they are complaining, I think. So let's talk about the last one first. Significant turnover in chief financial officers and the appointment of successively less qualified CFOs over time. So I think the main complaint of this short seller is because C3.Ai, has been changing their chief financial officer almost on a yearly basis. I mean, every year this company changes their CFO. And the thing is, whenever they bring in a new CFO, it is always, the CFO is always younger than the one that leaves. So I think that is one thing that Kerrisdale Capital found out, and they got they brought all these issues up. So let's take a look at the letter right here, guys. So right here you have the letter from Kerrisdale Capital about C3 fraudulent activity acquisition or yada yada. Now if you go further down, okay, I don't want to go deep into this, but if you go further down, that is where the gem is, where they spoke about gross margin, about the management. Now look at this. So this is where they spoke about significant turnover in chief financial officers. C3 has cycled through 4 different chief financial officers over the last 4 years, a clear red flag for its auditor, which is perhaps unsurprising, since we wouldn't want to be the executive forced to sign off on the company's accounting either. So if you take a look at this, you can see from 2019 to 2020, the age of this person was, the CFO was 59 years old. And then we have David Bata from 2020 to 2021, 49 years old. Adil Manzor from 2021 to 2022, 46. You guys can see 59, 49, 46, then 38. Juho Pekinen, okay, from 2022 and to present, 38 years old. Okay, that is of course why I think this short seller is mostly going after. You can see this comes right before the conclusion, and the conclusion says Deloitte doesn't need to rubber stamp fraudulent accounting, either require the company to come clean in its upcoming audit or resign and let C3.Ai management sully the reputation of a lesser audit firm. So that is the conclusion from Chief Investment Officer Kerrisdale Capital, Sam Andragi. I think this guy did well today, okay, because if you take a look at the share price of C3, it's down massively today. So kudos to the guy, he did a wonderful job. As a short seller, you want to make sure your work is felt across the board. So the share price of C3 is down minus 26% today. The guy did a wonderful job making money for his company. They are also short. They are shorting C3 right now. You can imagine making 26% in one day. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. Do you think the share price of C3 is going to rise tomorrow, or is this the beginning of the end of C3.Ai? Let me know, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Ciao ciao.